1. The following are the different taxes, fees, and charges from 2023 up to the present. RPT 2023, 2,561,561 pesos and 45 cents. And 2024, 2,746,792 pesos point 77. The difference of 228,000 pesos, 228,000 and 231 pesos point 32. Business tax, difference of 77,897 pesos. Regulatory fees, difference of 159,286 pesos. Service charge, difference of 691,000 pesos and 512. And other income, difference of 38,214.18. It is noteworthy that the past 3 years, 2021 to 2023, the average local revenue collection growth is 50%.35 apo. The number of businesses for the year 2023 is 778, and for this year, January to September, is 807 apo. This number of business establishments will help and will form part in increasing the local revenue of the LGU. The local government ensures transparency, accountability, and public trust in its financial management practices. The regular and prompt submissions of ESRE report to the BLGF Central Office plays an important role in the SGLG audit as one of the data needed in financial administration. In the year 2023, the disbursement rate on education, culture, and arts is 90.39%. Disbursement rate in LDRRMF is 73.07%, and disbursement rate of the 20% component of NTA for local development projects is 79.42%. Thus, the resources are being used efficiently and as intended. Local Civil Registrar. The prime activity of this office, being headed by Lisel Joy Pagdilaw, is the continuous, permanent, and compulsory recording of vital events in the life of an individual as birth, marriage, death, as well as all decrees, legal instruments, and judicial orders affecting his civil status in appropriate registration as mandated by the civil registry laws. And to ensure this effective and efficient delivery of civil registration in our municipality, this administration continually adopt and maintain technological innovations and updates tools such as the following. Philippine Civil Registry Information System or PhilCRIS. The PSA has developed and updated software PhilCRIS to deliver civil registry information management in a new, more user-friendly and efficient way. All records available in the archive of the office is already encoded in this system. Batch request system or BREQs A scheme where PSA authorizes the LGU to receive requests for PSA-issued copies and certification of civil registry documents, birth, marriage, death certificates from public and issued documents to its clientele. Number 3, data management system or the Globodocs. Standard which is served to respond quickly to the search and retrieval of civil registry records, to demonstrate office efficiency, and to have a backup or records electronically. Now we have Legislative Office of the Office of the Sangguniang Bayan. This is headed, of course, by our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Maynard Francis Bumanglag, along with his dependable Sangguniang Bayan members and ably assisted by its Secretary, Mr. Sanford Fernandez. As of October 2023 to October 7, 2024, there is a total of 189 resolutions passed, which is comprised of 7 resolutions under social measures, 13 under economic measures, and 169 under administrative measures. As of October 2023 to October 7, 2024, there is a total of 26 municipal ordinances enacted or passed under social measures. There are 6 ordinances. On social measures, there are 6 ordinances, 3 under economic measures, and 17 ordinances under administrative measures, to mention a few. Municipal Ordinance number 268/2225 series of 2023, amending Section 2 of Municipal Ordinance number 1676/1619 series of 2016, an ordinance granting incentives to the winning athletes at the Municipality of Pinili from the elementary, secondary, and tertiary level of both public and private schools, and to a winning individual Pinileño who gives honor and prestige to the town in the different fields of sports, either an individual event or group games. 2. Municipal Ordinance number 270/2225, an ordinance granting incentives, awards to students achieving exemplary achievements in academic and extracurricular competitions within the territorial jurisdiction of the Municipality of Pinili. Nagita po, may titag, may pasa, nagita ordinansa, tap na itikasta, pang-motivate tayo apo, kadagiti anak tayong ubing, tap no antad dapay nga ipasnek da. Nagiti fields ngayon da pag-ayaman mo no, and dati paglaingan. Municipal Ordinance number 279/2225 series of 2024, an ordinance granting recognition and incentive to successful Pinileños who garnered first to 10th third place in all national board and bar examinations. Municipal Ordinance number 289/2225, an ordinance declaring August 13th of every year as an Inabel Day of Pinili. These are just few of the municipal ordinances which were enacted and approved by the Legislative Office. Ado apo, nagiti napaprobaran ken kastamatan na putar ordinances idungdungwen tayong konseho. Today ta timang paneknek nga kadagita kinaado nga nararamid ng resolution ken ordinances kakabsat napadayawan ti ili tayo nga Pinili akas number 1 legislative group apo. And hoping kada iti manen nga tawen mag-garner tayo manen dahi nga pamadayaw apo. Philippine National Police, Pinili Municipal Police Station, the achievement of Pinili MPS for the 12-month period from October 1, 23 to August 30, 2024, headed by Police Lieutenant Kester L. Arellano, reflects their commitment in maintaining peace and order, combating crime, and fostering community partnership within the municipality. Crime prevention and law enforcement crime reduction statistics. Crime clearance efficiency 100%. Crime solution efficiency 92.59%. The station achieved significant success in reducing crime rates and increasing crime clearance and solution efficiency, which highlights the station's proactive stance in law enforcement. Significant accomplishments: total number of arrests, drug-related arrests, 2 wanted person arrested, 4 illegal gambling arrests, 1 plus 3. Hindi sabi. Okay. These are all significant arrests, but the most significant of these are those related to illegal drugs. Ambo tayo met apo, gano involved get illegal drugs, adupay, ti mabalin nga krimen, ti mapasamak, nga makagapo ka na ito'y. Kasi ti panagtakaw, pamamatay, rape, and nadumapay. The Pinili MPS implemented consistent anti-drug operations aligned with the National War on Drugs Program, leading to successful confiscation of illegal substances and contributing to the overall peace and order within the municipality. 100% of the barangays of Pinili are now drug-cleared as conferred by PIDEA, PNP, and DOH regional offices. And for the information of everybody, our present Chief of Police is Police Major Antonio A. Marsan Jr. Dati na po, nga dato yan, iso tinagtiliw idirabi, apo. BFP, the Bureau of Fire Protection, Pinili, headed by the then Fire Marshal SFO3 Bonjo Aguinaldo. Main objective is to enlist the direct involvement and active participation of the civilian populace and the private sectors through the help of the local government unit in the promotion of fire safety, establishment, maintenance of a well-equipped and well-manned Bureau of Fire Protection, and to inculcate fire safety awareness to the citizenry. Our Pinili BFP personnel is doing their best to deliver this objective as manifested by their report. There is a total of 4 structural fire incidents responded in 2023 and 3 fire incidents in 2024 with a total of estimated damage 2,200,000 pesos and 60,000 pesos respectively. The station successfully conducted community fire protection planning workshops, simulations, drills, fire prevention, intervention through house-to-house fire safety survey, created and organized community fire auxiliary group to 2 target barangays, to targeted barangay in the municipality. This of Plan Ligtas sa Pamayanan is a strategy of the station to reduce fire incidents involving the community through the information dissemination and fire prevention campaign against destructive fire. Similar to PNP, the local government unit of Pinili has been providing assistance to BFP Pinili and has also provided a building for its personnel. Actually, its construction is already finished and ready for occupancy and was inaugurated last October 8, 2024. And again, for your information, we have a new fire marshal who relieved SFO4 Bonjo B. Aguinaldo just this month in the person of Senior Inspector Llewellyn I. Ulit from Batak City, Ilocos Norte. Awards, be it in the form of plaques, trophies, or certificates, go beyond symbols. They serve as tools that can inspire, motivate, and boost individuals toward accomplishments. It is my honor, ladies and gentlemen, to announce these awards that we had garnered, fostering the Municipality of Pinili as a culture of excellence. LDRRMO, we received our second Gawad Kalasag Seal of Excellence for the National Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council. We also received the Certificate of Commendation from the Office of the Civil Defense Region 1 for the year 2023 and 2024.